What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Master King Flex. So today I went to T-Mobile, got a new phone, and yeah, I just came back from there actually, and yeah, let's get into the unboxing. I opened the charger thing, making sure the charger was long, but it's just really small. But yep, so as you guys can see, this is a T-Mobile bag, This is my first ever T-Mobile phone, like that ass. It's T-Mobile, bro. It's called the Reveal. Yep. So let's get unboxing. Sorry for not posting yesterday. We went to my sister's house yesterday, and there was a lot of people, and I didn't feel like recording, so. Yeah, I get too nervous to record in front of people, but that day of me being scared is gonna be an ending. So look how crispy the phone is, bro. It might be some handprint because the guy was touching it in order to put the SD card inside. So yeah, look how crispy it is, bro. And it's really thin. So I'm gonna take the phone out. Wow, it feels so light. So if it feels light, and it could easily crack. Like if it feels mad light, it could crack easily. Like this, if I drop it right now, it could crack easily. And look how crispy the phone is. Look at the back. T-Mobile. And it's really skinny, It doesn't have any. The speaker's not on the back or on the sides. It's like right here on the bottom. It's right there on the bottom. Yeah, and this button is not to turn on. This is the button to put your fingerprint on it. So this is the power button, and this is the volume. And yeah, there's a volume button, and there's a power on button. And yeah, this button's to put your handprint on. So I already started everything. So it's currently 6:51. Yep. So look. So I put my handprint right. That's my password. And look. So I haven't started everything yet. I need to get some things done. So yeah. I really love the phone. It's really crispy, and the back and the front. The camera is really nice. So let's get started. Next. What? Get started. Sorry guys, I'm just really into this phone. So check the network. So the setup is complete. No, we'll finish. So I have all these things that, so my credit was good, and they lowered down the price for me. This phone actually like $500 in store, but my credit is good, and it went down, and I got it for 110. But I can't call out of the country. Like I can't call out my grandma, and yeah, any other country, and I can't buy anything from Google Play. So press next, accept. And yeah, so the phone's already done. Let me show you guys some apps on it. Let me turn the light up. So this is what it looks like, as when you go up. You got the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, and all that kind of stuff right here. So I pretty like I kind of like the phone. It's not a bad phone, but it's pretty good. It's a T-Mobile phone, like I said. It's not T-Mobile is not it's not actually a bad company. Um, yeah. So, you know, I put my name, it says hi Jose. So yeah. So, you know, I had the T-Mobile app, you know. Yeah. So yeah, look, the phone's really crispy. It feels really light, like really light, bro, really light. I left the charger. So there's more unboxing. Yeah. So this is the charger. You know, it's really short, like I said. I opened it on the way here. Oh, this is how short it is. Piece. It says, or I don't know, but it's a really small piece. And this is the T-Mobile. This is where the SD card was, and so they replaced it to the phone. So yeah, this is the welcome phone right here. You know, Spanish. Oh yeah, I don't think I really much need this, but just in case I use it later. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry for not posting yesterday. Like I said, I was at my sister's house. There was a lot of people, and I didn't feel like picking up the camera. So I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you guys did, smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are watching. You know, tell your friends, tell your parents, or anybody that you know. And yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel, please.